वेलकम टू मॉडर्न स्टडी जोन। आप सभी का एक बार फिर स्वागत है। और आज हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्लास 12 हेलो एल्केन हेलो एरिन्स कंपाउंड का वीडियो आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। हेलोजन कंपाउंड होते हैं जिसमें आर एक्स, आर एल्किल, आर एरिल ग्रुप होती है। तो आर एक्स एल्किल भी हो सकता है, आर एरिल ग्रुप। एक्स में हेलोजन फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन हो सकते हैं। और इन्हीं हेलोजन के साथ जुड़ने के बाद हेलो एल्केन कंपाउंड बनता है, जैसे CH3 Cl मिथाइल क्लोराइड कॉमन नेम है। इसी में अगर एरोमेटिक C6H5 Cl फिनाइल क्लोराइड। तो इस तरह से एलिफेटिक और एरोमेटिक रेडिकल्स जुड़ते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन हेलोजन से, और उससे बनता है एल्किल हैलाइड कंपाउंड, एरिल हैलाइड कंपाउंड। तो जितने भी हेलोजन यौगिक होते हैं उनमें किस तरह का उनका बॉन्ड का नेचर होता है, इसको पहले बता रहे हैं। तो आर एक्स बॉन्ड नेचर, हेलोजन्स आर मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, एल्किल और एरिल. So bond electron also shifted toward halogen element and they becomes polar compound. So chemical nature of CX bond is polar nature, and how to electron shifted just like a CH3 Cl. So number of 3 hydrogen sp3 hybridized CH3 and 1 electron also connect with Cl. Number of 7 electron in Cl. So bond electron of carbon and chlorine shifted toward chlorine. Then partial negative charge produced here, and here is partial positive. So partially negative and positive charge produced in halogen compound. They are different type, just like sp3 hybridization found in aliphatic, but in case of aromatic any halogen, benzene ring also sp2 hybridized, bond electron shifted toward halogen, but minus I effect also found in benzene ring. So polar nature found in aliphatic and aromatic, polarity more in aliphatic than aromatic. Now chemical reaction of Rx. So nucleophilic substitution reaction found in halogen compound, and it is also classified two type, SN1 and SN2 reaction. So it is important what is SN1 and SN2 reaction. So nucleophilic substitution reaction also found in halide compound. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is two type, SN1 and SN2. SN1 means number of one nucleophile attached with single radical or any hydrocarbon, alkyl or aryl group. It's called SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction also complete in two step. In first step, electron shifted toward more electronegative and carbo cations form. Then second step, nucleophile also attach with cation part of compound. Just like so Rx halogen plus OH minus, that is nucleophile. So in presence of nucleophile, bond of is shifted toward halogen. Then first step, only we form carbocation R positive plus X negative. So R positive, that is carbon, so carbocation, and halogen is more electronegative, minus charge than Ni. So it is first step. In second step also, R positive plus OH negative, then change into ROH alcohol compound. So hydroxyl group, alcohol compound, it is substitution reaction. So first step also change as a slow step, but second step completed very fast. Plus here is also X minus. So just you take any compound, just like ethyl chloride, C2H5 Cl plus OH minus, it is nucleophile, electron also attracted by hydroxyl group. So in presence of hydroxyl, this is shifted and change into form of C2H5 positive plus Cl negative. So it is first step. Should not both nucleophile, just like a halogen and hydroxyl cyanide, they are attached with single radical group or any hydrocarbon. So that is slow step. And secondly, C2H5 positive ions attach with OH minus, then form C2H5 OH. So it is SN1 type chemical reaction. SN1 chemical reaction, if we see in order what is the reactivity types of compound, then tertiary, secondary and primary.